Good day, everyone. My name is Ardigan Arpuliapoy from BTLN IA2. So today I'm gonna show you the different parts of a manual sewing machine with their corresponding functions. So let's go. So for our first part is the balance wheel or the flywheel. So the balance wheel is used to work the mechanism of the motion of the sewing machine. So this is our balance wheel. From here, it will go down in here. So for our next part is the stitch regulator. So the stitch regulator controls the length of the stitch. And so to our next part is the spool pin. So in the spool pin, it is where we fit the top of the arm to hold the reel of the thread. So unfortunately, our spool pin is destroyed. So we got this pencil as a substitution. So this will be represent as the spool pin. So next is the thread guide. So the thread guide, it holds the thread from the spool to the needle. So from here in the spool pin, so it will go down here, here to the needle. So this is the thread guide. So for our next part is the needle clamp screw. So it holds the needle in its actual place. So this is the needle. So our needle will be put here in the needle clamp, and the needle screw will be the one who tighten the needle clamp. So the presser foot. So the presser foot, it is fixed to the presser bar to hold the cloth firmly in position when lowered. So it is the presser foot. And the next is the presser foot, the presser foot lifter. So it is a lever attached to the presser bar for raising and lowering the presser foot. And for our next part is the machine plate or the slide plate. So it is a rectangular plate which facilitates the removal of the bobbin. So slide mo to, tapos makikita mo lang dito sa baba yung bobbin. So for our next part is the tension disc. So it is where the thread passes and the thread adjusted by a spring and the nut which increases and decreases the pressure. So the next part is the take up lever. So it is up and down motion feeds the thread to the needle and tightens the loop forward by the shuttle. So tuwing mag-control ka sa balance wheel, so itong take up lever is mag-move siya up and down. So just like that, as you can see, mag-move up siya down. So that is the take up lever. So our next part is the needle bar. So it is a steel rod to hold the needle at one end with help of a clamp. It is used to give motion to the needle. So itong kumikinang is ito yung needle bar. Okay. So the feed dog. So the feed dog consists of set of teeth below the needle plate. Helps the cloth to move forward while sewing. So that is the feed dog. So the needle plate or the throat plate, it is a semicircular disc with a hole to allow the needle to pass through it. So needle plate. Our next part is the bobbin case. So let's wait. Kunin ko muna. So this is our bobbin case. And this is our bobbin. So in a bobbin, there is a thread. So lagay mo lang dito yung bobbin sa bobbin case. Tapos and this is the shuttle carrier. So the shuttle carrier is where the shuttle houses. So dito nilalagay yung shuttle, no, yung bobbin case. So that's that. So for our last part is the foot pedal. So the foot pedal of a sewing machine is essentially equal to the gas pedal on your car. So the more you press down, the faster the sewing machine is.